guys, good morning. This is June and we'll be showing you paano namin celebrate ang birthday ni Yvonne sa Airbnb na Taylor Swift themed found sa Commonwealth.
At the Airbnb staycation here at the Residences Commonwealth. I could say this is pretty worth it. I would just say this is just so hard to find. It's challenging to get here. Like, we just commuted going here and we didn't ride a Grab. So everything's neat and clean. And I love the aesthetic.
So as mentioned by Yvonne, na late kami dito pumunta kasi nagkaroon kami ng konting challenge hanapin yung place. First time kasi namin pumunta here and bihira lang kami sa Commonwealth area. And ito, we're just showing you yung mga amenities like the PS4, the karaoke, yung mga decorations na Taylor Swift themed. Tapos sa likod ng bed merong lover na LED lights siya. Tapos above the television is a giant friendship bracelet design. And yung mga naka-display sa wall actually is mga CDs for the vinyl.
Wow. Nandun sa Airbnb yung password ng Wi-Fi. Lover. I think this can be turned on. Tapos nandito kami sa isang Taylor Swift inspired Airbnb. Ayan. Wow. Ayan. This is our place. Here at a Taylor Swift Airbnb. Taylor Swift inspired Airbnb here at the Residences in Commonwealth. There. Tada! Oh, tabi ka. May video ko.
Wait lang.
Ayan.
Of course, para ma-feel talaga namin na nasa Airbnb kami, inlay namin yung Airstore movie. Ang maganda rin kasi dito is meron silang Netflix and Disney Plus.
Wow, ang bango. Oo.
And ito naman yung binili kong cake para kay Yvonne, which is a Biscoff flavored ice cream cake.
Hello. How was the cake that you bought for me?
Hindi pa nag-sink. Yes, to see you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear wifey. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you.
Yeah. to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Whitey. Happy birthday to you. 1, 2, 3, let's go, Rich.
Thank you. Ay, wait, may naisip ako, balik mo. Size?
Yes.
Ano ba yung size?
Kaya? Kulit cut kaya ang hirap pa.
Bago. Isa pa ako.
Ganyan muna. Baka dito sa title.
It's the morning after. It's already June 13. Nilihit ko na yung mga binili namin kahapon leftovers, yung mga bread. I made coffee as well. Tapos yung lover sign. And let's see. It's almost.
This forever.
Yes.
So, noong nag-Dex day na, nag-breakfast kami pagkagising. Then, we decided to play PlayStation before we head to the pool. And the game we played is called It Takes Two. Basically, a multiplayer game.
Look at the flash.
You need to use the analog.
So he's playing the console. Can't even move on my own. Wow.
So, at this moment, papunta na kami ng pool. Sa condo na inistayan namin, you can use the pool for a maximum of 2 hours.
Hey, good morning. Taas potek. Hello. Ay, good morning. Dito ba? Kasi ang laki. Potek yan. Oh my God. The pool. Oh, sige, mag-shower ka. Sayang na panahon namin nila mami, walang ganito. Hello! Why?
Mamaya.
What if alisin ko? Alam ko na. Hawakan mo. Para gagawin ko siyang bracelet.
Patingin niya kung gaano ako kabilis. Yung ibang bagal.
Sabi ko babalik pala ako.
So, mayroon rin kami nakitang swing dito sa pinag-staycationan namin. And nakakatuwa lang kasi na-recreate namin tong gantong moment. Nung first anniv kasi namin, nag-staycation kami sa Eastwood, meron ding swing. And ganito rin yung ginawa namin na video. Na tinutulak ko siya sa likod habang nag-swing. So, at this moment, malapit na kami.
For the last time, it's me. Hi, I'm the problem, it's me. A teen star. Meron na. You come and pick me up, no headlights. Long drive. Then I've been burning flames of paradise. It's been a while since I have even heard from you. Heard from you. I should just delete me because I know exactly where it leads, but I just go round and round each time. You got the James Dean daydream look in your eye. That red lip classic thing that you like. When we go crashing down, we come back every time. We never go out of style. We never go out of style. Got no idea about me and you. There's an indentation in the shape of you. Made your mark on me, a golden tattoo. All of this silence and patience, pining and anticipated. My hands are shaking from holding back from you. My hands are shaking from all of this. Don't blame me, love, make me crazy. If it doesn't, you ain't doing it right. Oh, every time you're loving me. You're loving my life. Oh, every time you're touching me. Oh, every time you're loving me. Lord, take me, my drug is my baby. I've been using for the rest of my life.
So, unfortunately guys, yun lang yung clips namin. After namin mag-karaoke, basically nagligpit lang kami, tapos nag-impake, then lumabas na kami ng room, then nagtapon ng basura. Then nag-commute na kami pa uwi, sumakay kami ng jeep. Then yung jeep na yun hanggang Cubao. Pagdating namin ng Cubao, sumakay ulit kami ng e-jeep naman papunta ng Santa Lucia. Pagbaba namin sa Santa Lucia banda, sa Robinsons kami pumunta, tapos nag-Starbucks muna kami. So ito yung in-order namin sa Starbucks. Basically, wala kaming video. And unfortunately rin is pagod kami that time and puyat. So nag-ask na lang ako kay mom na sunduin kami. Then basically pag uwi namin, nagpahinga kami. So ayun yung recap ng birthday ni Yvonne.